Do you ever feel like people kinda like you, but not much more than that? I communicate for a living, but when I was younger, I didn't have any meaningful connections with people. I mean, sure, I was hanging out with friends, wearing all my stupid band t-shirts, but I wasn't close with anyone.
You wanted more, right?
Yeah. Discover how passing priority
You probably have a more nuanced answer than that.
No, I was...
and looking for hooks
What do you think of that? What do you think of the term bromance?
It's just guys hanging out and having fun.
fix that miserable connection problem in my life, how it can for you too. Plus, the science behind the effectiveness of these underrated techniques.
Well, other than your dumb band t-shirts, you didn't talk about yourself much. If you want to be liked, you gotta say more, right?
Wrong! You see, in scientific studies, people who are quick to talk about themselves are not ranked highly in likability. The study results reveal that if you show authenticity and understanding towards others, you'll stand out and inspire far more than if you were to talk about yourself.
So how'd you show authenticity and understanding?
I empowered myself with one simple discovery within this psychological experiment. Imagine being offered small amounts of money for answering questions about topics. And shockingly, the participants were willing to give up 25% of their earnings to instead talk about how the question related to them. In general, right, 40% of everything we say is devoted to telling others how we ourselves think or feel. So knowing now that A, people really like talking about themselves, and B, value authenticity and being understood, I really committed to listening to others and forming conversations around what they say.
Listening to others and forming conversations
around what they say.
Watch proof of how Ryan Gosling weaponizes this strategy using the two following clips. 1. Pass priority.
Ken, what's your favorite Spanish saying? / where do we go when we die?
Two-parter. That's a natural one.
Ay, que rico, baby.
Watch Ryan find opportunities to pass the conversation priority to others.
Where do we go when we die? You would know.
Passes it to
I
Margot.
think, Barbie, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
See what I'm saying?
You get that one?
You see what I'm dealing with?
Passing priority makes you extremely likable by presenting yourself selflessly and makes them feel that you authentically value their opinion.
2. Listen for hooks.
I took dance class when I was a young kid, and so did you, is that right?
So instead of answering Conan's targeted question, watch Ryan hook into the kid dancer connection to score points off a topic that Conan can contribute to.
I knew you were a kid dancer.
There's something about me that says
I can
kid.
tell a kid dancer. I can spot one from a mile away. You used to tap dance, right?
When I was a kid, I was interested in tap dancing.
Ryan becomes extremely likable here because he shows he understands Conan's comedic abilities and authentically compliments his killer dance move.
Well,
Anyway,
I'm
what
not
it-
surprised because that string dance that you've invented is one of the greatest dances of all time.
Seriously. Do you like the string
How
dance?
can you show me someone who doesn't like the string dance? I'll show you a liar.
Gotta cut the string.
Getting others to talk about themselves will make you more likable, but Ryan uses a trick to supercharge that habit to make it even more potent. Shh, if you check out this video, you can avoid ever being boring in conversation.